Pros and cons of Limewash paint for your house walls. Dear friends, Limewash paint is a natural texture-based paint option. It imparts a rustic, unfinished character to any space. Limewash paint gives an earthy feel to an otherwise flat wall. It lends both texture and depth to a wall and can be used in many creative ways. Let's check out the pros and cons of using such a paint color. Pros of Limewash paint. Its natural properties are a primary advantage, and due to its natural origins, it is a material for modern times. Here are the advantages of using it. It is an environment-friendly paint and does not comprise any harmful chemicals or materials. It is breathable because it prevents surface decay and moisture from seeping in. The texture may appear porous, but it never suffers condensation. It resists bacteria and odor, retaining the freshness in the room and helping create a hypoallergenic space. It is durable and extends the longevity of the surface. The exterior walls coated in colored or white Limewash paint easily withstand the changing weather conditions. It is incombustible, thereby helping prevent accidents and disasters. In some foreign countries, bakeries and breweries are compulsorily coated in Limewash paint. It is available in many colors, thus improving the versatility of the material. Cons of Limewash paint. The cons of Limewash paint are concerned more with the finish and the process, not questioning its durability. The cons are: the color palette is strictly earthy and neutral. Trying to develop a darker shade is difficult because there is a limit to the level of color pigment that can be mixed. Sometimes, several coats may be needed for the desired texture and appearance. Trusted experts like Limewash Paint Asian Paints, and others, however, manage the process skillfully. Cleaning a Limewash painted surface is difficult because of the broken unfinished texture. An easier option is to recoat. Though it is considered versatile, it has surface limitations as it cannot be applied to any wall. Gradually, the Limewash fades, and the appearance of the surface deteriorates. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.